lived here for 15 years. The bathroom had it. The upstairs neighbor toilet leaked, had a big hole in the ceiling. Tiles were falling out. Time for a new bathroom. Tulip has been fantastic. Never expected it because I've had my kitchen done. If there was ever a time, there was never a time where in the morning he didn't call me to tell me what's going on. There was somebody here every single day till they finished, except Saturday and Sunday. And I was very pleased. Can't ask for any more than that. You know, it's unusual that you hire somebody and they do everything that you expect them to do. Tulip absolutely did that. Oran was fantastic. And I've already recommended people. You're going to see for yourself what he did in here. It's really incredible. I can't wait to take a shower in the morning. Shower head's fantastic. Very happy with everything. Tulip did a great job, and I'd certainly recommend it. Anyways, just to repeat myself, Oran has been fantastic. Tulip has been fantastic. They did everything they said they were going to do and kept me informed every single day. It's interesting. I'm 86 years old, and I don't have time or the energy to put up with somebody that doesn't do what he says. Oran did it all. It was fantastic.